Alright guys, this is 2016 Donruss Signature Series Football 2-box break. This is for the people that finished in the bottom 30 of Mega Filler number 97 yesterday. Alright, just a quick 8-hit break right here. Good luck to y'all. 30 total spots of 2 combos. We hit the randomizer 6 times. The Duke 9 on the bottom, Lions 854 up top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. MKJ up top, SMB on the bottom. On the teams, Vikings on the bottom, 49ers up top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and final hit. Cross your fingers, hold the winners. 6, the Packers and Dolphins. Top and bottom. Alright guys, that's who you got. So, like so. I'll throw them up on the screen for you during the break. Of course, we'll announce everybody who gets a hit. Alright, good luck. First up, Sterling Shepard Jersey Auto Rookie for the Giants. That is Lions 854. Giants. Numbered out of 50, Marcus Smith for the Eagles. F. Cairo. For the Titans, Rashard Matthews. It goes to Rob 11. And another jersey auto, Connor Cook. The Raiders. Dogfather 67. Alright, and the final, our second pack here. Elusive Ink. Chris Spielman for the Lions. Detroit Lions, part of a combo. S.C. Dixon. Elusive Ink Gold, number 7 out of 15. Dan Bailey. Dallas Cowboys. Cam Williamson. Steve Grogan for the Patriots. There's F. Cairo. And finally for the Jags, Chris Smith. Panther homer 82 with Jags. That's it for the break. Congrats to the lucky winners. Thanks guys again for joining the Mega Filler. Till next time, peace.